it's going to be a better day tomorrow, then we might just park up somewhere and go in the morning. We had found a campsite that you could stay at for, I think it was about €10, and you can actually stay near Mont St Michel. We were going to get the bikes out. I say we were, as though we've made a decision that we're not going to. It might dry up, we just don't know. But when we get there, we're going to get the bikes out and put the dog in. We've got a little carrier for her because she can't run fast enough. And go over. We can park up near the causeway, walk along the causeway, and then we'll be there. Bob's your uncle. And hopefully, because the weather's not all that great, it'll be a little bit quieter, because some of the reviews on TripAdvisor and Google and that have said how busy it's been. So we're just going to make it up today as we go along.
Just arrived at the air. It's closed up for the winter, and it's automatic payment.
Okay, select your language. English. Parking 24 hours?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Look at the upper screen. Okay. Receipt. Yeah.
We had it's been rainy all the way here, and we had a bit of a near miss where a car overtaking us set the speed camera off, so we decided to panic and just pull onto the inside lane. Unfortunately, he was only halfway past us. Braked hard, sounded me horn, and luckily we just about avoided the collision. I'm going to see if I can pull the footage off the dash cam, but yeah, it wasn't a pleasant moment, but hopefully we can make up for it in the rest of the day.
Anyway,
we have tickets.
We have tickets.
Hello from Beauvoir, which is just south of Mont St Michel. We thought we'd eat local with a little baguette, and we're drinking Calvados, which is apple brandy, I believe.
It's a little bit strong for lunchtime, but at 40%. But we thought, well, eat local, be local. So we thought we'd have a little bit just because the weather's not so great.
And it goes with the name. We came, we saw, we drank.
Cheers.
Cheers. Especially after being knocked off by a French driver. Oh, that sounded a bit wrong. Knocked off the road. We'll get better, don't worry. Cheers. There we are. This is the area de Buffy. Just about to have a walk into the town. Just a few miles short of Mont St Michel, but we think we'll probably head over there tomorrow morning, as it's a little bit breezy to be quite many miles across the causeway. The dog's trying to get through the fence, so we'll see what this little town's got.
It's got a chocolate shop.
It's got a chocolate shop, so I've been told, so we'll go see if we can find it. bit to have the world on it. The world on a cow. Wow, that's a big cow. Right, part of what we enjoy about travelling is getting local alcohol to taste. So today we're on cider from the Normandy region, and we'll give it a little pour. Pour's a little bit cloudy.
Cheers. Yeah, a bit hazy, I would say, more than cloudy.
Okay, hazy, cloudy. It's got a good smell of apples on it, strangely enough.
I would say it smells a bit like farmyard manure.
Funky.
However, it doesn't put me off drinking it.
It's very dry.
Oh, it's lovely. It's really nice.
Crisp. Not tart at all, but not overly sweet. A good all-rounder. Beats a lot of things.
Cider's my best drink to have when I'm having a roast dinner, and especially at Christmas.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It's probably because I come from Devon.
Because it's 5%. Goes down easy. It's nice and cold.
Cheers.
Cheers. Right, well, we're back on local beer. This is a Saint Wandril from the Brasserie Par Lemoines, which I believe is in this region.
Great accent.
Hopefully they haven't butchered beer making as much as I butcher the French language. It's 5.5%.
It's
cloudy. Very hazy. Big foamy white head.
It smells nice.
Citrus and
pineapple,
pine on the nose.
Oh, it's very not sharp, but dry.
Dry, lightly tart.
And then it's got quite a sweetness at the end.
Got a citrus finish to it. It's very similar to a Belgian or a German wheat beer. Yeah. Drink that again. Saint Wandril, Brasserie de Lemoines.
You probably won't, because it's £6 a bottle. So
£6 a bottle. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Drink local, pay local. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Michel.
Mont St Michel.
We're just walking up the small cobbled narrow streets.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
Obviously we'll have to wear masks because that's what's required on the whole site.
Yeah, and it's probably because it's very narrow.
It is.
It's very, very small, very tiny,
Really beautiful. Beautiful.
yeah, really beautiful. But we're just walking up towards the Abbey now, and we'll see what we can see from up there.
Yep.
Here we are on the ramparts of Mont St Michel. Just got a little bit of sunshine coming out. It's quite a splendid view all the way around from this turret. Just look at the land. And of course, the Abbey itself. Here we are, just trying to get down a precarious set of steps. Don't know if we're going to hop down them and sing and dance like the Joker did, but we've definitely got one Joker with us who seems to be trying to get the best down the steps.
It might be.
Well, it might mean you. So we're just getting down, nearly at the bottom, walking around the back edge of the ramparts of the town.
Very serene.
Yes.
We've come early in the morning, well, early-ish in the morning, and I think people have complained that when they've come it's been absolutely rammed, and of course we've come in October and we're here at 10 o'clock in the morning. Sorry for not looking yet at you, I'm just trying to make sure that I don't do a dramatic tumble, and I think we've probably got it right.
Yeah, it's very quiet. Near the sea smashing against the rocks at the bottom. In the town where it was quiet, just outside the chapel, we could hear the birds singing.
Oh, the chapel was gorgeous.
Yes.
We didn't pay to go in the Abbey, but we've been in the little chapel.
The Refuge de Saint Michel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Again later. Walking back from Mont St Michel, probably seated up behind us. The breeze is getting up a little bit. It's been a nice visit. Found out we could have brought the bikes over.
Trying to get a word in edgeways. Yes, it said on the guide that you couldn't park your bikes up